Hello. Today we're going to be doing a iPhone 7 screen replacement. So as you can see, the screen is pretty damaged. We're just going to swap the screen out. Just going to do a quick little tutorial on it. Not go into massive detail, but I'll show you guys how to replace the screen on it. Right, so first off, obviously, 2 screws at the bottom. Normally you say turn off the device as well, but obviously with a device like this, you can't actually turn it off. So just take the 2 screws out the bottom, then lift up the screen. So what you're trying to do is just break all the adhesive that's around the screen, and just slightly lift it up. Right, so you want to open it up only slightly, since the cables are over there. And then you want to lift up the top as well. Alright, like so. And then fold it open like a book. Right, so then there's 4 screws here that you want to take out of the plate. So what you want to do is you want to take out disconnect the battery first. Sometimes the battery comes up with the shield, like so. And once the battery is disconnected, you can do the screen, and then take the 4 screws off the 2 screws off the plate at the top. Like so. And then you can take out that connector. Right, so that's the screen off. And then you want to take out all the screws off the actual screen itself, because you want to swap over everything from this screen to your new screen. With the home button section, be very careful, trying to put too much pressure on it, because you could break the home button. And the 3 screws on the side. And 3 screws on the other side. Then you've got the 6 screws on the top.